Hi guys, so after my last two journaling videos, I received so many requests from you all to do more, so I finally caved and wanted to share with you my new journaling system, as well as just some fun ways to decorate your pages, ideas to change up your handwriting, how to organize your stationery, and just an overall really fun and therapeutic activity that I personally love to do for myself. If you enjoy these types of videos, give it a thumbs up, and if you don't, give it a thumbs down. That just kind of shows me how you feel about certain content. Also, I'm doing a really fun little giveaway for my subscribers, so if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, turn that bell on, and I'll let you know the details at the end of the video. Grab yourself your favorite snack and drink, and let's just relax together. And just a little reminder that I have a vlog channel. If you're not already subscribed, we would love to have you over there. Right now we're doing a bunch of home vlogs and other weird stuff, so if you're into that, we'll link the channel down below. My very first step anytime that I start journaling is to get inspired. Now, the best way to do this is to gather pieces of paper, scraps, stickers, pictures, plane tickets, literally anything and everything that can inspire you. I have a designated baggie like this one where I actually put all my little inspirational papers. Now, before starting anything, I usually look through this bag and decide, okay, what creative mood am I in? For example, here I have a little cute card of life advice my aunt wrote for me. Here's a ticket to a Rupee poem show I went to. And then here's a little piece of Elizabeth Gilbert's writing that spoke to me one night as I was taking a bubble bath. So there's no wrong way to do this as long as you're gathering pieces that speak to you and whatever you're going through in that moment in life. I also keep a smaller envelope with tinier stickers and cute cutouts, and I recommend putting some good music, having an afternoon of just gathering inspiration. This can be off of Pinterest, or magazines also have the best things. Don't overthink it. As basic as this tip is, it needs to be said because it's so easy to start overthinking your layout and the aesthetic and oh no, how cute will this look? Literally just drop that mindset and care a little less. I promise you, if you do that, the result of whatever you'll create will look so much better and be more authentic to you. Now, I recommend having a paper where you just kind of start by gathering all of your favorite scraps of papers and you put them in one place. This is my holographic box, my stationery box. This keeps me sane. I love it. It has all my stickers, my scissors, my supplies, pretty much all the stationery, heavenly good stuff. Now, here are the cute stickers that I've collected throughout my journaling time. I'm obsessed with them, and literally, if you want to know where I spend my money on, it's on stickers. I know. They make me very happy, okay? I think that's fine, people. I justify it. There are also so many different types of stickers that you can play with. These are 3D ones, there's 1D ones, textured stickers, stickers that pop out of the page, some that are clear that look like you might even have drawn it, and of course, you can never forget your washi tape. These little guys can do so much for a simple page and just make everything look instantly more cute. Now let's just set the mood. Now for me, it means turning my phone off, putting some chill music, having my fairy lights in the background. Comfy sweats are a must, okay? Making my favorite tea, putting on my favorite supplies, and putting all of my supplies into one big table. And of course, Jupiter, he's always a part of the recipe. He wants to be a part of everything. A ton of you guys over on the vlog already know that. So here is a little chub chubs. Now, if you're unsure where to start, writing can actually be a really great place. You can download journal prompts online, or you can use the ones that I created for you. I've been so happy seeing all of them, and the feedback that you guys have given me has been so fun. Thank you so much. It literally makes my heart smile. You can even cut them out and put them in your notebook. I'll link some of these cute worksheets that I've created just for you in the description of the video. Okay, let's talk aesthetics. Oh my gosh, this is where a lot of us can get stuck on. A quick little life hack though for making it look cuter is to stick to similar colors. This is something that I found has really worked for me. So for me, my usual color palette are just pastel tones. I love it like the rainbow. So I use the same colored highlights to keep a balance. These are also awesome and they're erasable. I will link them down for you. So I recommend picking maybe 5 colors you want to stick to, and no matter what you do to the page, I promise you it will have an effortless aesthetic feel to it. Now, what to draw? The $1,000,000 question. I am personally a huge fan of having some form of artwork in my journal, but you don't need to be an artist to do so. I've learned this throughout the years, okay? I recommend getting yourself some cute books like these. These are my absolute favorite. They make me so happy. This is where I also spend my money. I will link them down below. They give me so many fun ideas, and you can practice your drawings, your letters, calligraphy. There's cartoon stuff in there, little kawaii, little cartoons. It's super fun, low effort, and I don't know, it makes me super happy. I hope you like it. A fun way to make your pages more fun is to switch up the angles. So for example, instead of putting things just like straightforward, add a little fun by angling it. It really does a lot. It's so simple, but this can give your page a more dynamic and interesting look. Also, adding textures with different kinds of paper can add spice into any kind of boring page and just make it a little bit more fun. Okay, let's talk cute text. You don't need to know calligraphy to make it look cute. In this video, I actually show you how you can fake your calligraphy skills, and I highly recommend you to watch it next. But today, I'm going to be showing you my 3 go-to styles that are so easy, okay? One of my biggest tips is to not commit too early. So what this means is you're going to change your mind. It's bound to happen. It's okay. So first start by placing everything on top of the paper, but before gluing anything down, see how you like it. See how you feel it, okay? And then once you've moved it around enough and are happy with it, you can glue it down. For this page spread, I actually went with the theme of my wins for the month. I think it's always really important to recognize all the little things that you do for yourself and celebrate those wins. I used 2 different textures of papers. I cut them up, placed them in this fun way. You know, we're working with angles and textures. Kept the theme pastel and added similar stickers to keep the page just synchronized. Then I finished off the page with an intention for the week, and that's to sink fully into what makes me happy this week. I love it. Let me know your intention for the week down below. I would love to read them. The supplies. This is where the fun stuff comes in. Instead of using a glue stick that makes the pages look kind of bumpy and ugly, try one of these crafters tape. It actually works like a whiteout, but instead it's just tape. Now stickers. Stickers can be really expensive, so buy them in bulk or subscribe to a monthly subscription to get some fun ones in the mail. I'm actually currently subscribed to Paper Gang and Zenpop, which you guys recommended to me on Twitter. Thank you so much. So each month I actually get some fun and unique little things. Seriously, it just makes me so happy. Kind of like a little surprise in your mailbox every month, and something that just personally makes me super happy, and I love being able to put some money into that. I mean, look at this. How cute is everything? Seriously. And this is my journal. It's an A5 6-ring binder. It's clear. A5 is the size, which is my absolute favorite. It's like small enough to fit anywhere, but also just good enough to write on and still be comfortable. I think this costs like 12 bucks on Amazon. I'll definitely link it down below in the description. The reason I prefer a binder notebook as opposed to something like, let's say, a bullet journal is because it makes me feel less committed and less pressure to mess up. So if I don't like it, poof, I just kind of rip it off. It's okay, nothing happened. And also I can rearrange it into however I feel like it. So I've absolutely loved this. This is my new journaling system. It's great. Now here are some easy, simple accents that can make your page look more full and cute. They're always my go-to whenever my page looks a little blank and boring. Now this one I love. You gotta decorate your letters into what it is. So this book is one of my favorites. It's called The Art of Doodles by Sarah. I love her Instagram. I'm pretty much gonna show you how to combine doodling and writing together. So here are some examples of what it teaches you. So I love using it and practicing little cute designs. And this one, it kind of reminds me of like self-care, which is something I'm always aiming to get better at. So I went with the cloudy and star theme and added my own colors and wrote the word self-care. Then I created a page spread all about what self-care looks like to me. So that being unplugging from the internet, catching up on a good show, hanging out, playing Animal Crossing. You guys, I am obsessed. And then I wanted to add this week's self-care goals, which were drinking more water, moving my body, and just relaxing. So as you can see, I simply just use stickers for all of this page. Nothing crazy. You don't always need to draw out images. You know, this could just be a simpler, faster way to do it. And finally, for the giveaway. So if you'd like to win this cute notebook, simply be sure you're subscribed to this channel, have post notifications turned on, and comment below your IG. It's that simple. That way I can reach you. That's it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you feel inspired. Writing and doodling and just journaling has been such a huge therapy for me in my life. I hope that it can make you just as happy. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to check out these 2, which are super helpful. How to make a bullet journal for beginners, and also the other one is showing you ways to change up your handwriting. So if you're into calligraphy and all that stuff, I think you'll really love them. Those will be linked down below. As always, I'll see you every Saturday and Wednesday here. If you miss me until then, you can always connect with me on IG, where I share some more positive content, or my vlog channel where I share my cray life. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. I'm about to go play Animal Crossing. I'm very happy. Okay, bye bye.